How to bass in Serum.
First, write a bass line with a simple sound. Make adjustments where needed.
Yes!
Pull up Serum, pick a dope wavetable, play around with the warp modes, pick the right octave. Now modulate your warp mode. Add detuned saw layers for fullness. Set your main ADSR shape. Add filter movement where needed with your envelopes. Be sure to add drive. Pick which effects you want to use. You can use distortion to add extra drive, EQ to shape the sound, hyper widen to give a little more width, echo delay for some back and forth echo, and reverb to place the sound in a space. That sounds nice. So the sound before effects and after. Now saturate all that again together. Now make 2 more layers. Remove the lows from all but one layer, whichever one has the best sub. Combine those layers.